Hey, I am that tub guy, and I'm going to be doing some shower valve reviews, and no better way to do these but getting hands on. So, I am going to go ahead and I'm going to rough in this shower valve. This is the Kohler Master Shower. We've got two 3/4 inch volume controls, the 2977 KNA. And then we've got a single temp control. We're using the Master Shower 3/4 thermostatic valve, the 297 KSNA. So this is not your beginner shower valve setup. The way I'm going to rough these in, I put a couple valves in to start just so I could get the house back on. Everything gets roughed in copper. You could do pro press, a little more traditional. I like sweating in everything, and I don't have to go out and spend the $1,500 on a press. But everything's got to be laid out. What I did, I put in my finished wall rough-in dimensions for the diverter and the main up here so I could work off of that. I'm in 2x4 walls, so I wasn't able to fit 2x4 blocking in here, so I'm using, I think this is 5/8 OSB. So I attached that, and then I roughed the Master Shower temp valve right here. I'm going to come up, we're going to T, and then I'm going to end up putting the first diverter kind of right over here. These are the nipples I'm going to be using. So everything's going to be symmetrical, 2.5 inches, boom, elbow up, 2.5 inches, elbow up. This is kind of like putting in a parallel water heater. So I want to make sure my water supply coming out is equally balanced between the two valves. I wouldn't want to pipe through the valves. I wouldn't want to run these in a series. You want to make sure you've got balanced water going into each. The whole idea with doing a system like this is, for us, in this application, we're going to come up here. We're going to go through over here. I dropped in, I put a false ceiling in so I can have a rain shower head right here. And then we're going to come up over this direction, pipe over, around. This is not an outside wall. The interior walls are all insulated for sound control, and we're going to have a standard shower head here. So I will show you next steps in just a minute.